Hi, my name is Yijia Shi. I'm going to talk about participatory culture today. Participatory culture is a culture where everyone participates to contribute their products and learn from others' work. Nowadays, the new technologies allow people to work together and produce successful products. Barriers that used to limit people from producing products have lowered. Now the equipments are more affordable and websites like YouTube are accessible. Community produce media and share with others through network. It's a great learning environment where everyone can learn from each other. No one would be blamed. There is no right or wrong answer. The main thing is to share the ideas. It's a social bonding, not for profit. Participatory culture focuses on community involvement. Everyone can interact with others' work, like they can producing products, sharing, commenting on others' work, and reforming. Henry Jenkins describes his participatory culture as one with relatively low barriers to artistic expression and civic engagement, with strong support for creating and sharing. Includes informal mentorship. It has members believe their contribution matter and members feel social connection with others. The goal of participatory culture is to encourage youth to develop skills, knowledge, ethical frameworks, and self-confidence. Many young people are already part of this process through affiliations, expressions, collaborative problem-solving, and circulation. Mimi Ito say about connected learning, children, and digital media. Many parents think their children are wasting their time when they are using the internet or playing games. Parents always think their kids should do more healthier activities. However, young people, they value the online activities more important. As parents or educators, it's more important to support kids' engagement beyond space that has chance to foster kids' intellectual development, their civic engagement, and their personal development. The influence of participatory culture on education by Henry includes they're more creative than the generation raised by standardized tests. And young people do not have to be anxious about the grade and the work. They can be more engaged to the world. I think participatory culture is important and it should be emphasized. As Henry mentioned in the video, we are a generation raised by standardized tests and tons of schoolwork. There are many people got serious mental disease or even death because of the anxiety from the studying. The main purpose of education is not creating studying machines. It's more important to foster engagement between young people. Social media is not a bad addiction as most parents think. I learned a lot of things from YouTube channels. For example, I learned Cantonese from YouTube channels. I believe that instead of demanding kids to get off from internet, it's more important to guide and teach them to use the internet properly. Thank you.